Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn that how to print your Excel sheet or data and how to save your Excel file as a PDF file. So this is a very important video when you prepare your data in an Excel sheet and then you are interested to print and either to save your file as a PDF. So this is a very important video. So keep watching till the end for the complete understanding and some terms related to perform these two, that how to print and to save as a PDF file. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also if you want to learn the Microsoft Excel, which is a very commonly used software, so all the course is freely available in this channel and you can learn the Microsoft Excel completely from basics to advanced level, and a total of 18 parts that I have uploaded on this channel, so you can visit in order to learn the Microsoft Excel completely. So let's start that how to print your Excel sheet or data and to save as a PDF file. So let's suppose this is the Excel sheet and you have a data. Let's suppose you have a 2 3 7 8 9 3 and 4. So we copy this data in the columns and rows. We will copy and then we'll paste in the some other columns, and then we will print this data. So now you can see we are copy and the data from the in the respective columns. So now this is the data and we want to print it on a 4 size page. So we have to provide the cells, means to provide the borders to these data. So we will select and then we'll go to the take border box border, which is available in the font category of tools. From here in the drop down buttons we will click on the all borders, and now you can see the border has been applied to each data. So now we want to print it. So first we will go to the file, and in the file we will go to the print. When we click on the print, now you can see the data of which we are interested to print is, now you can see it will look on the A4 size page like this. So if you want to print, so then you simply click on the print, and if you are interested to make more copies, so from here you can increase the number of copies, and from here you can change the orientation either in portrait or in landscape. Now you can see this is in portrait format. If you want to change it to landscape, so this will be now printed on the landscape. So it is okay in portrait orientations. So like you can see, it is good, comfortable with this format. And from here you can change the margin. So these are the simple options associated with the print, and this is how you will print your Excel sheet data. So you will simply click on this, and so when you click on the print, so now you can see that it's required to save your file as a PDF. So like you can see here, the file will be saved as a PDF document. So we will name as Excel and data, and we want to save it in anywhere in the system. So let me address it to save it in music, and so we will click on save. So Microsoft Excel did not find anything to print. So this will be printed, and the file which we have saved it as a PDF, we have saved in the music. So we will go to that file in the PDF format. So you can see in the music, this is the Excel data we name as the Excel data, right? As you can see. So we will open it. When we double click on it, now you can see this was the data. So if you face some errors, so you can save your Excel sheet as a PDF from here also. You will click on the file, and in the file you will click on the save as, and in the save as you will name your file, and suppose it is Excel data 1, right? And you can change the format of your file from here to PDF. So you will click on the PDF, and then we'll click on the location where you want to save. So we want to save it in the music, and then we'll click on the save. So now you have to open your file as a PDF in the music. So now this is in the music. This is the we saved in the file as a Excel data 1. So you will double click on this, and now you can see it is a PDF file of their data. You can see this is the PDF file. So now if you have any question regarding that, how to print your PDF file or a sheet or data, and how to save your PDF file as a PDF file, Excel file as a PDF file. So you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.